Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vivek Mane, would like to take the lecture on energy and environment subject. In this lecture, let us see the first point of second unit is known as the biogas. In this point, let we have to see what is meant by the biogas, the types of biogas, various factors affecting about the biogas generation and the biogas plants. So in this topic, let we in this lecture only let we see what is meant by the biogas, what are the concern point considered into the biogas, and the ecology of the biogas. These two topic, these two main point we have to consider into this lecture. So let us start from the what is meant by the biogas. So the biogas is a one type of the biofuel which is naturally produced from the decomposition of the organic wastes. The biogas is the mixture of the gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of the oxygen. So the decomposition of the organic waste is happened in the absence of the oxygen, means, and there are the two types of the bacteria. One is the aerobic bacteria, another one is the anaerobic bacteria. The bacteria who produce the decomposition in the presence of the oxygen is called as the aerobic bacteria, and the bacteria does not require the oxygen for the decomposition purpose of the organic wastes are called as the anaerobic bacteria. So such a creation of the or the nothing but the exhaust or the discharge of the gases or the liberation of the gases which is known as the biogas, which get produced after the breakdown of the organic matter in the absence of the oxygen. So this is the main point we have to consider into the creation of the biogas. Such a decomposition process produces or the release the mixture of the gases or the blends of the gases, we can say. But into the mixture of the gases, the primarily the methane as well as the carbon dioxide get liberated into the decomposition process, and the biogas can be produced from the raw material such as the agricultural waste, manure means the animal dung, means the animal waste from the animal, then municipal waste, plant material, sewage, green waste, or the we can say the food waste. From that means these all types of the waste are considered under the organic waste categorization. So such raw material may be utilized as a raw product or raw material to produce the biogas. The biogas is a consider the energy into the renewable energy source. How the biogas is considered under the renewable energy, let we see the later verse afterwards. In that how it considered as a renewable energy, we will see. But presently you consider as a biogas is a nothing but the renewable energy resource or the source In India, it is also known as a gobar gas. The biogas is produced by anaerobic digestion with anaerobic organism, which is also called as the anaerobic bacteria, which digest the material inside the closed system. Means when there is a digestion occur into the closed hopper or the closed system or the closed dome, so it is nothing but considered under the anaerobic digestion process. Such process is also known as a fermentation of the waste material. So such process is known as the fermentation process, we can say. Such closed system is also called as anaerobic digester or bio digester, or it is also called as the bioreactor. So by considering such information, we can understand that what is meant by the biogas exactly. Also, we have to also consider another some points which are considering under the heading of the biogas. The biogas contains mainly methane, which is indicated as a CH4, then carbon dioxide CO2, and having many small amount of the hydrogen sulfide, which is indicated as the H2O, then moisture, and less amount of siloxane. Siloxane means the white deposit in the form of the crystals get produced the inner part of that dome. Next point is due to the high content of the methane into the biogas, which having the range 50 to 75%, methane get contained into the biogas. So the biogas would become flammable. It get flame in a large amount, we can say, or having the considerable amount, and therefore produces the deep blue flame, and due to this it can be used or utilized as an energy source. This released energy allows the biogas to be acted as a fuel. It can be used for many heating purposes such as cooking. So mainly the biogas are utilized for the cooking purpose. Means it can be used, the utilization of the biogas gets started from the residents, mainly from the urban areas, not from the city areas. It get the scope into the urban areas. It can also be used in gas engine to convert the energy into the electricity as well as the heat. So in foreign countries, it may be used into the vehicle also. So there are the lot of scope into the research which can be used, means the biogas can be utilized or used into the vehicle also. The biogas can be compressed. The biogas is nothing but the one type of the gas, and it is just like as a natural gas. It is not a perfect natural gas. It can be produced by ourselves, and but it can be utilized as a natural gas. So the biogas contains the similar property as a natural gas. Biogas can be compressed after removal of the carbon dioxide. When we remove the carbon dioxide, contents of the carbon dioxide into the biogas, so such type of the fuel is called as the biomethane. So biogas can be compressed after removal of the carbon dioxide, just like the natural gas get compressed into the CNG. As natural gas is having into the liquid form, so such a natural gas is known as the LNG also. So liquid form of the natural gas, LNG. And which can be compressed into the compressed natural gas, which is known as having the short term is denoted as a CNG, and can be used to power motor vehicles. So this is the new one research is get now available, and we can see that the biogas may be used or utilized into the vehicle also. For example, in United Kingdom, means into the UK, the biogas can be replaced or is replaced around 17% and acted as a vehicle fuel. Means as we use the LPG as well as the CNG for the vehicle, uh, for the vehicle means it is acted as a vehicle fuel. Like that, the biogas get used into the UK country, and it can be replaced around effectively 17% with respect to that, and acted as a vehicle fuel for the same. The biogas can be cleaned and upgraded. So there is a scope of the cleaning as well as the upgradation of the biogas when it becomes the biomethane. So we can make the biogas and we can convert the biogas by removing the carbon dioxide from the biogas, and which is known as the biomethane. So such when it becomes the biomethane, then it can be considered into the natural gas standards. Here is the point where the biogas is considered as a renewable resource. So let we get concentrated here. The biogas is considered to be a renewable resource because its production and the use of the biogas is a continuous one. Means there is the creation of the cycle. There is a creation of the cycle means when we grow the plants, then plants use the carbon dioxide for their making or the generating of their foods. After that, the we use the plants as a vegetable, then such a vegetable acted as a organic waste, and by using such organic waste we can create the biogas. So there is nothing but the production and there is the utilization. It is in continuous manner, so it cannot get stopped. So it when it get cannot get stopped, so the biogas should be considered into the renewable resources. So it due to the such a cycling process, the biogas is considered as a infinite resource, considered under the infinite resource. As organic material grows, then it get convert and used continuously into the repeated cycle. So as said earlier that there is having the repeated as well as the continuous cycle. So biogas should be considered under the renewable resources. With respect to the carbon perspective, with respect to the carbon concern, the as much carbon dioxide get absorbed from the atmosphere for their growth of the primary bio resources like the plants, and such material get ultimately converted into the energy in the form of biogas. So the next point, let we discuss the ecology of the biogas. Let we see the definition of the ecology. What is meant by the ecology? Let we see here. The branch of biology that deals with the relation of the organism to one another, to their physical surrounding. Means it is nothing but the branch of the biology which deals the study about the relations of the organism, the relations of the bacteria with respect to each other, with respect to the organic waste to their physical surrounding. So the biogas having the two benefits which is given as under. So biogas is known as an environmental friendly energy resource because it's suffering two major environmental problems simultaneously. Means the first problem is the global waste that release the dangerous levels of methane gas every day. So there is a necessary to consume the methane in well manner. It cannot be possible by other ways. So it can be possible by using the production of the biogas as an energy. So this is the first point can be resolved under the production of the biogas. And second one is nothing but we are the dependent on the fossil fuel energy to meet the global energy demand. So we are the dependent India as well as the world is maximum dependence on the energy generation under the fossil fuel, which is known as the fossil fuel energy. So such dependence get reduced by utilization of the biogas, by utilization of the production of the biogas. So biogas helps to produce the nature's elegant tendency. Means when there is the production of any one type of the thing into the nature, then nature would like to disintegrate or destroy such type of the thing under the action of the solar energy, under the action of the wind energy, under the action of the decomposition into the soil. So the biogas which helps to produce the natural elegant tendency to recycle by converting the organic waste into the energy. So biogas is a helpful or it helps directly for converting the organic waste into the energy. So the biogas mainly produces the help to the nature for their cycle. The biogas generation recovers waste material that would otherwise pollute the landfills. So biogas is also helpful that due to the production of the waste may be having the agricultural waste, municipal waste, organic waste, we can say various types of organic waste like the manure also. So the biogas generation recovers the waste material that would otherwise pollute the landfills. So if we would not use the biogas as a nothing but the energy in the form of energy, so such a material we should have to use as a landfill and which are the responsible for the pollution, air pollution as well as the water pollution may get occurrence. So instead of that, the biogas is directly helpful which recovers the waste materials into the in the form of the energy. Also it prevents the use of toxic chemicals into the sewage treatment plants. So it directly prevents the use of toxic, means it is nothing but the chemicals which are directly affected to the environment. So it prevents the use of toxic chemicals into the sewage treatment plants, and ultimately the biogas production saves the money, saves the energy or liberation, create the new energy and save the material by treating waste on the site. Also biogas uses does not require the fossil fuel extraction. There is a need not the utilization of the fossil fuel for the generation purpose of the energy to produce the energy. So the biogas uses does not require the fossil fuel extraction to produce the energy. These are nothing but the some points considered under the ecology of the biogas. So in this lecture only we see the 2 points, what is meant by the biogas, and what are the points considered under the ecology of the biogas. In the next lecture we will see the types of biogas. After that, the what are the factors affecting for the biogas, and the various types of the biogas plant which can be used commercially, not for the domestically one. It can be used commercially. So in the next lecture we will see such details. So with respect to the biogas, we start the unit number 2, the point number 1. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you very much.